तिनीहरूले प्रश्न सोधेका हुनेछन्।
They will have asked a question.
They will have asked a question. शिक्षकले कक्षामा अनुमति दिनुभएको हुनेछ।
Teacher will have allowed in the class.
Teacher will have allowed in the class. तिमीले पानी उमालेको हुनेछौ।
You will have boiled water.
You will have boiled water. उसले झोला पक्रेको हुनेछ।
You will have caught a bag.
You will have caught a bag. मेरो बहिनीले ज्याकेट रोजेकी हुनेछिन्।
My sister will have chosen a jacket.
My sister will have chosen a jacket. हामीले मासु पकाएका हुनेछौँ।
We will have cooked meat.
We will have cooked meat. सीताले उनको साथीलाई बोलाएकी हुनेछिन्।
Sita will have called her friend.
Sita will have called her friend. मेरो बुवाले कपी चेक गर्नु भएको हुनेछ।
My father will have checked a copy.
My father will have checked a copy. उनले कार किनेकी हुनेछिन्।
She will have bought a car.
She will have bought a car. दियाले भारी बोकेकी हुनेछिन्।
Dia will have carried a load.
Dia will have carried a load. मैले कथा पढेको हुनेछु।
I will have read a story.
I'll have read a story. मेरो आमाले बिहानको नास्ता तयार गर्नु भएको हुनेछ।
My mother will have prepared breakfast.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.